So let me explain these 7 things that you must keep eye on as digital marketer or a performance marketer. So yeah, it's 7 most important things that you need to keep eye on. So yeah, this things is very important for you in your digital marketing career. So let's begin. As you can see, the 7 points that I have listed, which is very important things for marketers, even if you are just starting digital marketing. And these 7 things remains same because these are the core 7 um, what do you call um, skills, or some of the points that you need to consider if you are a digital marketer or if you are learning digital marketing. So yeah, this will remain same, and but the ruling keeps on changing. So yeah, let me explain one by one. So as you can see, the 7 points: first one is health, second fundamentals of marketing, third consumer psychology, fourth communication, fifth test, sixth updates, seventh long-term vision. So this is according to me. These are the 7 points that you need to keep eye on always, and you can come up with your own list. So far I have handles almost 4 clients for Facebook ads, and I'm still learning as a digital marketing. Yet I'm not working in a company, but I am building my online portfolio to get a job in agency or clients. As you can see, 4 clients I have handled, and you can see a lot of videos that I have recorded here on my YouTube channel, All Year On Ads, so you can watch that. And yeah, this is scheduled, and these are the successful campaign that I have run. And yeah, currently I am handling advanced Great Hall educational consultancy, and I have run 2 ads for them. One is 1 week and another is 1 week, so total 15 days I have run their campaigns. So now let's begin. So yeah, I'm also learning digital marketing, so I have read couple of books on fundamentals of marketing, like Truth, Lies and Advertising, Ogilvy on Advertising, and I have done a fundamental course on marketing by Senator Veer on Ads. And these are the 7 points that I came up for marketers, which will remain same, but the ruling may keeps on changing. So but these 7 points you have to keep eye on that on a regular basis or weekly basis or whatever you are comfortable with. So these 7 things. So let's start one by one. So the first thing is health. Of course, if it is lost, then everything is lost, because at the end of the day we are human beings and we have a brain, and we have physical things, spiritual things. So you need to consider your health as your first priority, because in digital marketing or any IT industry, whether you are software engineering or computer networking guy, or even if you are in security, so or even if you are manager, there are a lot of sittings involved in this IT sector. So you will spend a lot of time in sitting in front of computers, staring screen. So you need to consider this first point, which is health. So as they say, health is the greatest wealth of human being. If it is lost, then everything is lost. And yes, indeed it is true. So what you can do in terms of health: first you should improve your sitting positions, how you stare your screen, and whether you have a good chair or a good table or not. So yeah, in the health category, just remember how you sit and how you stare your monitor. So your monitor has to be on your eye level. It should not be very below, or it should not be very high. So your monitor should be at your eye level. And a good chair, ergonomic chair, you can find on Amazon. It starts from around 10,000 to 15,000, a good ergonomic chair. So make sure you buy a comfortable ergonomic chair. So yeah, and for more you can read a blog on how to sit in front of a computer with good posture, so that you don't have to suffer a problem on your spinal cord, back pain or neck pain. So yeah, this is the first thing that you need to consider. And the second is fundamentals of marketing. No matter how trends goes on marketing, what new technologies coming up, fundamentals of marketing remain same. So what do you mean by the fundamentals of marketing? For example, concepts like marketing concepts, impression, clicks, and terminology, and why business need marketing, and what is marketing, and how budget is um, you know calculated in marketing. So these are the fundamentals of marketing. You should always uh, revive within yourself, that no matters how big this digital marketing industry is, we have SEO, PPC, paid ads, e-commerce, and websites, social media marketing, programmatic advertising, and a lot of things. So fundamentals of marketing mindsets remains same. What distinguishes you from other marketing is your marketing mindset. So there are couple of books that you can go with that, and the courses, and the course that I have done is which is from Senator Weir on Ads, Fundamentals of Marketing. So let me show you. And yeah, this is the course that you should take. This is Digital Marketing and Performance Marketing Fundamentals course by OS Ahmed from Senator Weir on Ads. You will learn a lot of things. So let me show you my Udemy. So yeah, these are the contents that includes in fundamentals of marketing. For example, what is marketing, traditional marketing versus modern day marketing. Then we have terminology, and then we have channels, marketing channels like Facebook ads, Google ads, and we have how to conduct a research, or what do you call case study, and this is how to understand audience, and the analytic tools, Google Analytics, Microsoft Clarity, and how to do reporting, what is reporting, why it's important, and what is media planning, and what is strategy. And yeah, this is what you will get on fundamentals of marketing. This remains same whether we have advanced AI moving towards rapidly or not. So yeah, the fundamentals of marketing remain same. And the third is consumer psychology, and this may change from time to time. What do I mean by consumer psychology? Psychology means how human thinks in simple terms. That is called psychology, and those who study psychology of human behavior is called psychologist. So you need to understand consumer journey. For example, if you are promoting your products, how the consumer at the end of the consumer will look at your products and how they will consider your product, whether they buy or not. So tracking your consumer behavior and analyzing your data, first party data, third party data, and how the consumer will interact with your products or services, that is called consumer psychology. For example, if you created a landing page, then you should have a clear vision that what you should include in your landing page and what clients are searching for, so that users can take multiple steps to buy your products. And in sales, that's what we call sales funnel. There is different stages in which consumer goes through before they buy your products. So yeah, this is the third point. Fourth point is communication. Communication is very important because when you are working as a freelancer, you have to communicate with your clients. If you are working on client side, let's say you are working on educational consultancy, you need to communicate with managers, with the directors, and even within your digital marketing space, you have to communicate with your graphic designer or web developers. Same way goes to agency. There are a lot of department like SEO department, PPC department, account management department, social media marketing department, and HR. There is businesses that you need to aware how to communicate within this digital marketing space, because each department has their own way of understanding. So if you are speaking to a manager of business owner, you need to put down the terms in simple terms so that and the manager can understand. If you put a lot of marketing and tech terminology, maybe the manager will not understand. So it's very important that when you communicate with others, you should communicate in a way that the end user understood your point very well. And this is very important skills that you need to have, because even if you have a technical background or you are very strong in your technical things, but if you lack communications and you don't know how to communicate, you will miss a lot of opportunity in this IT areas. So yeah, and this fifth is test improve your digital marketing campaigns. And suppose if you want to know between the two brothers who is the fast runner, you have to test them. So to know which brother is faster runner, in order to do that, you need to create a test for them so that you can verify that which one is faster. Similarly, in digital marketing campaigns, which ad is performing best, you should have multiple ads, multiple ad creatives, which we call A/B testing, so that you can test two different formats of ad creatives, which one performs best and which one performs not best. So basically you create two ad creatives, A/B testing, and if you see that within 1 month this ad creative performs very best than the other ad creative, then you will of course scale the first one which is performing best. So test, that's why big digital marketing agency demands high marketing budget from their clients, so that they can test a lot of things and provide a good and better result for them. So that's why you see a lot of business owners approach agencies, not freelancers, because they know that we have to spend a lot on our marketing budget. So that's why they don't trust freelancer in most of the cases. They go to big agencies. Yeah, so test is very important. So test improve your skills, analytical skills. And if you are on a client side, let's say you are on automotive industry, uh, when you do tests you will know what kind of ad creatives is working, what kind of copy, ad copy, headline is working, so you will become a pro. Similarly, if you are in client real estate clients, uh, you will do a lot of tests, and then when you keep doing your test, and you will get a better insight that what performs well and what performs not well. And the sixth updates, you should always keep uh, reading the updates from several digital marketing channels like Facebook, Google Ads, and WhatsApp, TikTok, because these updates, digital marketing changes a lot of changes frequently, so you need to be updated about your digital marketing channels. So whenever there is update, just bookmark it, read it weekly, and this is how you build your habit on reading updates of digital marketing domains, whether it's SEO, social media marketing, paid ads, and a lot of things. So seventh is long-term vision. You should have a long-term visions in your digital marketing career, because if you don't know where you are going and where are you heading, then you will be confused and you will be burnt out. You will feel like I'm doing the same thing again and again and again. So you should have a long-term vision. For example, the way I can put the example, for example, if you are in college, let's say your bachelor degree in psychology or BA or digital marketing or any kind of business related or psychology related business, psychology related bachelor degree, in that period you can have a long-term vision that what will I do in certain stages. For example, if you are in college, you will say, let's say I need to start on social media manager, as a social media manager, where you can manage a lot of social media for businesses, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. Or you can have start doing SEO on your own. So this is how you start. Then you will go to the paid ads or social media marketing. Then you will go to what do you call e-commerce expert, and then within e-commerce expert you can go to a very specific niche, for example clothes or watches or electronics. Similarly, you can be an expert in real estate or in automotive industry. So then you can have another level, that is programmatic advertising. Then again you can have a manager position. Then again you can plan that, well, I know all the digital marketing process. Now I at least know how to make a strategy for different businesses from start to end. So this might be your end goal, so that you can become performance marketing director at the end of your career. And this is how you create your vision. So these are the 7 things that you should keep eye on, and this is very important. You can come up with your own list, but from my understanding, these are the 7 points that you need to keep eye on, and keep improving these things and keep doing your best. And I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.